Oh, it started. Okay. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Evie.
And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What are your hobbies?
I like dancing.
Me too. What's your favorite subject?
It's art
Why?
because I want to be a dancer.
Very good. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
And what do you want to drink?
I want some lemonade and juice.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken and rice.
What do you do on Saturday? What do you do on
I
Saturday?
do housework and
Okay.
stay at home.
What do you do on Monday?
I study at school and I do homework.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:50.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:45.
And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Where is your school?
It's in the village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at my school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is 1 computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Monday?
I have Vietnamese and math.
What subjects do you have on Tuesday?
I have music, art, and Vietnamese.
Very good. What do you do at the weekend?
I stay at home and watching TV with my friend.
Oh, can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What can you do?
I can cook.
What can your mother do?
She can draw and swim.
What can your father do?
I my he can draw.
You have brother or sister?
Draw.
What can your brother do?
The can swim and dance.
Okay, nice. What do you do on Wednesday?
I do housework and study at school.
Okay, thank you. When do you have maths? When do you have maths?
I have it on Thursday.
When do you have history?
I have it on Thursday.
When is your sports day?
It's in March.
Where were you last summer?
I were in Da Nang City.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.